Hi! In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the objective traffic to create an ad on Facebook. The advantages of creating a traffic ad are that, first of all, this ad, you will not see it on one of the advantages that you create a dark ad. You will not see it on your Facebook business page. You're going to create it in Ads Manager, and it's going to be seen by the people that you choose through targeting. This is good if you want to create brand awareness or send people like to promotions or to events, and you don't necessarily want to put all this information on your business page, but you still want to have the information go to potential clients. So this one is one of the advantages. The other thing that I really like is that it gives you a whole bunch of options on how to create your ad within Facebook, including free stock photography. So let's dive right into it. You choose traffic for your objective, and we're going to name this campaign, I'll just put example 1 for now. And this is the name, example 1 traffic to my website. You can create split test and budget optimization, but we'll keep it simple for now because this can get pretty complicated and sometimes it's glitchy. So just for this course, we'll keep it simple. I put my ad set name. At every level, you have to add the name. And I want to drive traffic to my website. Now, who am I going to target? You want to create your audience. Do I want to target everyone in Canada or everyone in the United States? I can say, for example, I want to target people in California, or I'll put it, say I'm running an event in Los Angeles. And if I put Los Angeles, California, there is how many people? 33 million. Well, we're going to bring that down. I just want to have it. Say I'm hosting an event in Los Angeles, for example. I can say, okay, well, I want people to come to my event. So I'm trying to promote a boot camp in LA. So I would put people about 21 to 45 years old, or a little bit. See, it reduces down. I can say I'd like people interested in social media and that are small business owners, small businesses. I click suggestions, small business owners. They're interested in social media marketing, in entrepreneurship, and that maybe are real estate agents and business-owned realtors. I could get really granular with this. You know, we can go into browse. We can look at demographics of who I'm trying to target when I have my persona. But for this example, we'll keep it pretty basic and simple. This is a really big audience. I would like to definitely narrow it a little bit more. A good way to narrow it is to first go with the city only. And I can say people that you can narrow your funnel. So I would say that are also interested in, let's put, for example, online courses or classes. I could say masterclass or classroom. Okay. It really reduces my audience. But either way, we save our audience. We're going to call it example 1 because this is an example for you. And I'm going to go into edit placement because I like to know where this is going to go. So I'm going to say, well, I would like to have my, I'm going to do a slideshow, so it's going to be a little bit like a video. I don't really want it in the right column or marketplace because it's not a product. I'd like to have it on Instagram. Not that big of a fan of Messenger and Audience Network, so I'll leave it as that. Moving down to my budget and schedule, as discussed to the previous video, you are in charge of your budget. So I'll say, okay, well, we're just testing this market. We'll do a $20 ad for about a week and see where that takes us, and then we can always adjust. Delivering for link clicks. Continue. This is where it starts getting fun. Ready? I'm going to put the name here and choose my account. Keep it simple, social media. All right, and it's linked to my Instagram account. Now look at all the formats. So in the other episode, when we were talking about post engagement, we used an existing post, a post that's already existing on our page. But right now, we're going to build an ad within Ads Manager using Create Ad. And see all these options. So you can create a carousel, you can create an ad with 2 or more scrollable images. So you can create carousel, and then you can add several images. See how it shows? You can add image number 1. You select the image. You can choose an image you already have, an image that's on your page. You can upload some images. So you would add, see how it shows a little example of what this looks like? So each image here would create a carousel with its own link. So this is really good if you have listings and you have several products, or if you want to showcase 5 different types of shoes, if you have a shoe business, things like that. That's your carousel. Several images, 2 or more scrollable images or videos. I saw someone did a mix. It was really fun. It was a video, then an image, then a video, then an image. It made a really fun storyboard, so you can play with that. Single image. Create up to 6 ads. We'll keep it simple. We'll just say, let's use 1 image. This is really fun. Look at this option. You can load up images from your library, from images you have on Facebook. You can upload some images from your computer. Now, keep in mind, look at these sizes. 1200 by 628, it's almost a perfect rectangle. So you want an image that's rectangle if you're using this type of ad. But you can use free stock images, and look how amazing this is. So if I go, oh, here. Wow, Facebook knows I entered social media in my interest, and it's showing me a bunch of people taking classes. Isn't that amazing? Look at this. See, I can pretend this is a bit looks like me with someone learning. There. You can say, okay, put this, or maybe a more general one, training. So I would choose my free stock image. Ta-da! And it appears on this ad that will be seen by people that I have targeted at the audience level. Look at this. Isn't that beautiful? And these photos, it says Shutterstock on it, but it goes away. When you post it, it gets to be a free image. And you can crop the image. This one is a new one that I really like. You can use a different image for Instagram because sometimes your image won't fit on Instagram. You want something more square, so you could have a square image that you have planned for Instagram. For example, this one is 600 by 600. I can say, okay, for Instagram, I'm going to use something else. So when you go in preview, see how it previews desktop, instant article, and Instagram, it's going to be the image I chose that works a bit better for Instagram. And if we delete it, it still shows better, but it's a bit horizontal as opposed to a perfect square. The other option we have, so just a reminder, we are in our campaign objective, we chose traffic, and we placed the audience or placement, we chose Facebook, Instagram. We figured our budget would be $20 for a week, and we put the name here, and instead of using an existing post, we decided to create an ad within Ads Manager. We went through our different format options, carousel, single image, single video. This is where you could upload a video, and in the keynote of this video, I've put the format, the video you want to have. So I can upload a video or browse a library or use templates. Ooh, look, it gives you all these templates on how to create a video. Isn't that amazing? Square templates, video templates. This is brand new. We are in late August 2018. This is brand new. It's so exciting. So you can create a video using template. You can browse your library or upload a video. I know I have one here that I have already on my Instagram page, on my Facebook page, and I could say, okay, what is this going to look like on mobile? You choose your video thumbnail. If I don't like my face there, maybe this one's a bit better. And and so on. So this is the video option, super fun. These are all options are given to you by Facebook if you decide to do the traffic ad. Slideshow, then you can pick up to 10 images. So if I decide to do slideshow, I can say, okay, you can show 3 to 10 images in a video up to 15 minutes long. So you can use a template for your slideshow, you can browse the library, and you can simply create your slideshow. If you can click here, you can add photos, you can say image duration, we like 2 seconds, you can choose square, we like fade because we like images fading, and you can add your video there. See, if I see select image, I can have images that I have, or you can access stock images here. And if I put Los Angeles, see, I can see what happens. See all these, so I can say welcome LA, and then I have a beautiful, some photos of LA, and then I can decide to say, okay, I'm gonna have some of social media class. And I can say, wow, okay, I'm gonna have this one and this one, and I can create an amazing slideshow of a mix of images like that. And if I confirm, see, you see them at the bottom, you can move them around. They're a bit stuck right now, but you can move them around. And there you go. And Facebook is gonna create a slideshow for me. Create slideshow. See? It can take between 30 seconds and 2 minutes. Hopefully this build will be quick. And the other options, there's collection and Canva full screen experience. We're not going to talk about those because they're sometimes glitchy and they're a bit more complicated. So this is to just show you the different options you have in using your own videos, your own images, building carousel, using stock photography. This is all under the objective traffic. And see, this Facebook created my video for me. Oh, look at this. It's beautiful. Perfect. So I can say, okay, I could add captions. I can manually add them. If I add SRT files, I could put them there. Captions is the little text you have at the bottom. I could click OK, add captions. I could go here, start typing captions, welcome to our new class, etc., etc. This will be the text that will go on at the bottom. SRT files are are files with captions in them, but you can do your own. And finally, you arrive at your text. So I have my text saved somewhere. Hopefully it's not too far. I could say hello LA, see you for our next social media bootcamp. So I would add all my text. I would add a website, so my www.mywebsite.com, or I would put maybe a direct link to my event. You can use learn more, apply, book, contact us, get offers, get showtime, listen. Often if we're selling a product, in general, I keep learn more no matter what because it's less selling. And see how I would have my text at the top, I would have this learn more, my slideshow, if I added captions, it'd be there. But I could also display something here in the headline. So the headline is like the social media 6 hour social media boot camp. And it adds this. I could do capitals and put an arrow or something and learn more. But And then that's it. You can skip this displaying link. You don't really need that. You keep this and then you just click confirm, et voila, you got an ad. Lots of fun you can have with this. Is it going to take you a bit longer? Yes, definitely. Then boosting an existing post, whether it's a video or a link ad, yes, it is longer than boosting an existing post. Do you have amazing features under that traffic box? Yes, you do. So once in a while, if you have extra patience or extra coffee, or if it's a bad day outside and you're snuggling and ready to go, have a go at it. It's absolutely amazing, the resources there. So I'll see you in the next video for how to boost a video with video views. And video views is the most economical way to advertise. We have videos that are promoted at 0.001 cent per video view. Amazing. So see you in the next episode.